Let's learn about fruits today with our fun flashcards. Are you ready? Let's go! This is an apple. Apples are red or green and super healthy. Yum! Here's a banana. Bananas are yellow, sweet, and full of energy. Look at this orange. Oranges are juicy and full of vitamin C. These are grapes, tiny, sweet, and perfect for a snack. This is a strawberry, bright red and yummy in desserts. Here's a pineapple, spiky outside, sweet and tropical inside. This is a watermelon, big, juicy, and perfect for summer. Look at this lemon, sour and yellow, great for lemonade. Here's a mango, sweet, orange inside, called the king of fruits. These are cherries, small, red, and super cute. Here's a blueberry, tiny, blue, and full of healthy goodness. This is a pear, sweet and soft when it's ripe. Look at this peach, fuzzy on the outside, juicy inside. Here's a kiwi, brown outside, green and tart inside. This is a papaya, orange inside, and sweet for breakfast or snacks. Look at this plum, small, purple, and delicious. These are raspberries, tiny, red, and sweet tart. Here's a pomegranate, full of juicy red seeds, super healthy. This is a grapefruit, big, sour, sweet, and perfect for breakfast. Finally, a coconut, brown outside, white inside, full of water. Great job, little friends! You learned so many fruits today. Can you remember all their names? Keep practicing and have